my lovelies, and welcome to part 4 of this little mini series on easy on the hands crafting. So today I'm just going to do a little bit of easy stamping, and I usually like to get out my Christmas stamps. I haven't got that many, to be fair. I've got a few templates, not templates, what's the word I'm thinking of? You know, when you go through them. Can't think of the word.
Hey?
You know what? Stencils. Stencils. I couldn't think of the word. I've got a few Christmas stencils that I'll use when we get to December dailies. But I like to print up a few on fabric ready. So I thought I'd just bring you along. I've got this one. I've had it a long time. Happy holidays. And I like that one. So I've just got some pieces of calico, just cheap. This is actually the slightly more expensive calico. You know, if you £3 odd is more expensive. I find it better for stamping. You can get calico here for about £1.75 a metre. And it's great. I like it for lots of things, but not for stamping. It's just not quite got the thick enough weave. So I've got my Sing My Song of Angels stamp. I've had this year's. I love it. A bit dried up. They haven't been used since last year. Okay. I've got I always like to wear my protective glove on my worst hand. You don't have to press too hard. And press down for 10. I've got a little stamping mat there below. Now, people say, is it worth getting one of these? They're not expensive. I like this because I find if you have got trouble with your hands, it's a lot kinder stamping on top of a stamping mat rather than directly on top of your thick measuring mat. There we go. So it could have been better. Sing the song of angels, walk the path of peace. 'Tis the season of hope and love ever after. Everlasting. Right, okay. I'm going to see if it looks better in red. So I tend to do a few and then they're all ready. Just wipe that off with a wet wipe. That's it. Let's see. Let's bring in another one. I've got Ranger Archival in red geranium. The other one, and it's a really juicy palette, Mossy Meadows by Stampin' Up. I do find that, you know, if you're doing any serious stamping, the Stampin' Up inks are my favourite. They're really juicy and lovely, the colours. Right, let's see how it looks. Usually leave it for about 10. I'm not putting too much weight on there. Yes, it works better, doesn't it? It's surprising. Different stamps will take, that looks a lot crisper. Now, the only thing, if you're using archival inks, if you want to keep your stamps in good condition, just get some archival ink cleaner and you just clean it off. Because it's archival and therefore it lasts a long, long time, it can damage your stamps and not come off easily. So wipe them when you finish using it, really, I always say. I like that red colour. So I just wipe it off with a wet wipe to start with, and then after, when we're off camera, I'll just clean them with my cleaner. So we've got 2 of those. Right, next. I've got my Angel. I love her. I've had her for years. She comes out every year, and you can do so much with the stamping. You don't have to stamp on fabric, stamp on paper. stamp on loads of things. Now I'm going to have a few angels, so I will do her that way. She looks nice. Don't know if we have any real red angels. I know often Archangel Michael has blue. He's often coloured blue or surrounded by blue light. And then I'm going to do a green one of angel. Just stamp it off on me. And you know, it doesn't take long for you to do a few of these, and then they are ready for December dailies when we get our stash out. So I will let you know now that I am doing, you know, like we did 12 days of Stitchmas last year, the year before 12 days of Kitmas. This year, it's 12 days of Pickmas. And yes, the pick jar's coming back out, guys. So we'll be able to pick a theme out. The theme of the day we're going to have. So any suggestions, please, down below. It's a theme. So a theme for the page spread. A theme a day. So we usually have so much fun, don't we? There we are. I'm going to do a happy holidays in red, I think. It's just, ooh, nice. There we are. So that was quick and easy. You don't want to see me just stamping on fabric for another 10 minutes, really, do you? Just to give you the idea that, you know, it's not too difficult on your hands if you're getting a lot of pain in your hands. Just do a small batch at a time. I've got green ink all over now. I told you the Stampin' Up inks are really juicy. I'm going out for Sunday lunch today and look at the state of my hands. Right then, I should have thought of that, shouldn't I? So, yes, we'll be bringing these out when it comes to December dailies. And I'm really excited to be getting my Christmas stamps out again. So, take care out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help. Check, if you've been subscribed a long while, please check you're still subscribed. Because some people are telling me that... they thought they were still subscribed, and I don't know, whatever YouTube has done, they're not. So yeah, please give that a check for me. I'd be most grateful. Okay then, have a go with the stamping, and I'll see you next video. Bye for now.